Sam Hamilton back, and guess what? This is when a cat and a dog does not get along. But the dog loves the cat.
Time, okay? Okay.
Enjoy the brownie.
The dogs are there, and the cats are there.
Now film it.
Okay, the dogs are really... She just...
Okay, we should show this on YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I like a cat. So, come on, dog, whatever you want. Want to see what their dog. He's right there on the porch.
Visit feedback.com.
Okay. Don't you?
I am. Well, the cat was meowing. Dog, 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 dog. Dog, please don't, dog, please. Dog, dog. Dog there, good dog. Okay, the cat's meowing, okay. Okay, dog, sit, stay. Sit. Well, I'm trapped out here. Dakota? Dakota! Okay, I need to get in. I can get in. Well,
Push the dog off.
There. Back in. Well, the cat's really scared.
It's not exactly Dave, it's more like Dave too.
She's meowing.
Okay, Kirk, I hear you. I want to help you. Let me think about it and I'll get back.
Well, that's how a dog
Take a look and
does not get along with the
I can edit
cat.
out 2 of them.
But the dog likes the cat.
It's a street
Next
cred.
time on Daniel Hamilton.